You have questions about fire damage? And we have answers. You ask, what are the top causes of home fires? According to the National Fire Protection Association, here are the facts. Cooking is the leading cause of home fires and home fire injuries. Cooking represents 49% of home fires and 20% of home fire deaths. The second leading cause of home fires is heating equipment. With an average of over 48,000 fires annually during the years from 2014 to 2018. Number 3 is electrical. During the reporting years, an average of 34,000 home fires resulted from wiring, lighting, cords, and plug failure. This led to $1.4 billion in damages each year. The next two are smoking and candle burning. 570 deaths occurred in 2014 as a result of smoking cigarettes, pipes, and cigars. And an average of 90 deaths per year resulted from candle burning from